Hello everyone. I've got a small section here on the back side of the layout where the Woodland Scenics riser is still exposed. This is an area that's going to get a stone retaining wall. The stone retaining wall that I'm going to be using is a urethane foam cast section that has to be cut to fit. I have no idea if this company still exists or not. I got these quite a few years back. So ultimatescenery.com. I have no idea if they still exist or not. These are relatively easy to work with. The foam has to be filed with a rasp. You can see my rasp there in the background to get the ends of the bricks to mesh together properly. So I've been working on that, and these two sections will go along here. I still have to get them marked to size, get them cut down to size, and I think I'm going to replace these top caps somehow. I'm not sure if they're going to line up as they should. That's going to go into there and be in next. Come back and check out the results.